Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you to make money through Facebook Reels using others' posted videos. But wait, is that legal? Don't worry, I'll explain everything in this video so you can just start posting someone else's video with a comment on it. I'll show you how to get started and upload it the right way without getting into trouble with copyright with Facebook or anywhere else. Right now, it is the perfect time to begin this side hustle. It's something you can do from anywhere. Facebook has a lot of traffic, it's popular, and it's a great way to boost your Facebook page to 100K followers in just 1 year if you do it right. Plus, in the long term, it can bring you steady income for life. But this is not and will never be a get-rich-quick scheme. The first thing you have to do is create a Facebook page. It's a fairly simple process. You can click on the menu button and select Page. When you click on Page, you have to specify a name. Your page name will depend on your niche, but you don't have to pick a niche right now. Since this is just the beginning, you can upload popular reels that we will source from other places. For example, the page name can be Reels. For the category, you can type Entertainment. The bio is optional right now, but you can write something or even use a tool like ChatGPT to create one for you. Once you're done, click Create Page. Now, you need to set up your page. Here, you specify your website, phone number, email address, location, and working hours. Make sure you complete all these fields to get your page health score high. This will be compared to similar pages with high engagement. Next, add a profile picture. Similarly, choose a cover photo that complements your profile picture. Once you're done, your page is ready. The next step is sourcing content. You can find videos on platforms like TikTok. Copy the link of a video you'd like to use and paste it into a tool called Snaptik. Snaptik allows you to download the video for free. After downloading, open CapCut, a video editing software. While you can use CapCut online, the desktop version is more robust. Editing the video is important to comply with copyright rules. Simply uploading the video as it is could lead to copyright claims. To avoid this, you need to add value to the content. Adding value can be done in various ways. You can record a voiceover, add captions, or film yourself reacting to the video. For example, you can overlay your commentary on the video or insert a small window showing your reaction. You can also add emojis, photos, or clips from another video. These modifications ensure that your content is original and falls under fair use. Fair use involves transforming the material by adding new expression, meaning, or value. This could include creating new information, aesthetics, insights, or even parodies. Once you've edited the video, it's time to post it. Go back to your Facebook page and start uploading. Continue creating and uploading 2 videos daily for the next 6 to 7 months. Over time, you'll gain experience and learn what type of content works well. This process may seem repetitive, but it builds a foundation for long-term success. In conclusion, this method requires effort, but it isn't difficult. Enjoy the process of creating content and focus on consistency. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I've found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. You can actually combine this with your Facebook Reels to make 10 times more money. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.